Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about what to do with this guava once it is ripe and ready to go. Well, obviously you want to give it a good wash first, and then you can cut it up and just eat it just like it is. The skin is thin, even though it appears to be thick, and the whole thing is edible, but I will let you know that the seeds are very hard and almost impossible to chew. So people who live in the tropics, who use a lot of guava, will usually cook them or stew them down and make a sugary kind of syrup or even a guava paste out of them. And then they will use that syrup in sauces to embellish meats with, or to flavor on top of cakes or ice cream or puddings and custards and things like that. And again, once they make this sugary syrup with it, they might include that in cakes and pies and use it in a sauce on top of ice creams or marmalade and make a chutney out of it, or a relish or something like that. You can also dehydrate guavas and grind it into a powder and use it to flavor ice cream or confections or even fruit juices if you like. Some other things that you might be interested in doing, a simple type thing, would be added to juices or smoothies. That would be a very simple way to use your guava. You can also poach it in a spicy sweet syrup like you might poach a pear. You can also just slice it and add it on top of cakes or meringues, and if you want to remove those seeds, you can scoop out the seeds before you do that. And you can also cook it into a sauce and use it to top pancakes with, or desserts, or even oatmeal. So let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I do hope this helps. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye-bye.